Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide sold listings on Etsy. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you run an Etsy shop and you don't want to show people what's been sold on your Etsy store. How do you actually go ahead about doing this? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on your account on the upper right hand corner, then click on account settings. Now on this page here on the left hand side, click on settings again, and then click on options, which is located here. Now underneath shop options, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says sold listings. Go ahead and click on no hide them, and then click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and hide your sold listings on Etsy. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.